Yo, what's up mga ka-like Mike? So for today's video, let's do a window shopping. So I've heard dito sa Davao City, nandito na po yung Anta. Hey. So Anta po is the new brand of Kyrie Irving. So, after nung mga issues nila sa Nike before. So he signed with Nike and I've heard na siya yung parang director ng kanyang line. So check natin kung dito ba yung line niya. Yun, let's check it out if may mga sales sila dito. Especially kay Klay Thompson, check natin kung may mga window shopping tayo for today's video. So don't forget again to subscribe and follow for more content like this. Let's go! So right now mga ka-like Mike, from 7,995 down to 5,596.50 na po. It's Gordon Hayward. So may other colorways lang, may black, gray, the green ones. And may training shoes sila. And also ito yung Shockwave. So Shockwave costs for 6,995 and 6,995 still. Okay. So mostly ang shoes na nandito, yung mga shoes ni Klay Thompson. Sobrang dami pa mga ka-like Mike. So ito nga, super sales. I don't know, di naman siya ganong sale. This is my discount. Ito yung latest na Klay Thompson. May mga other colorways sila. Pink, the orange, purple. Yun. And ito yung line ni Klay Thompson. There you go. Yung parang Golden State na colorway. So unfortunately mga ka-like Mike, wala silang Kyrie Irving. So ate, wala pa kay Kyrie Irving today?
Wala po sir. Sa Mega Mall pa po meron.
Okay, so you've heard it mga ka-like Mike, sa Mega Mall pa po yung Kai 1, the most awaited shoes. Pero I've heard na 14,000 yun ate, di ba?
Ang Kai 1, sir, 7,995.
7,995?
Mura siya. Mas pricey po yung Shockwave 5 Pro.
Ah, okay. Ba't sa mga reseller na 17K? Mahal, no? So you've heard it mga ka-like Mike. So SRP costs for 7,995. So may mga training shoes sila. Anta is known for their parang training apparel kasi even Manny Pacquiao is a endorser and signed as well with Anta. So hanggang dito na naman ka-like Mike, and yun na nga, tapos na itong window shopping natin dito sa Anta, Davao. So for more content like this, let's go to Reebok next and we'll see kung may mga sales dito. Peace!